हेलो गाइस।
वेलकम इन नाई पर हाजीपुर।
मैं हूँ योगेंद्र सिंह
और मैं हूँ जय सुरवाड़े,
और आज हम आपको जा रहे हैं नाई पर हाजीपुर की एक स्मॉल झलक दिखाने,
जिसमें हम आपको दिखाएंगे, हम आपको मिलाएंगे टीचिंग स्टाफ से,
स्टूडेंट से,
नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ से,
सिक्योरिटी से
मेस मैनेजर से।
और यहाँ के प्यारे प्यारे स्टूडेंट से। तो चलिए हमारे
वेलकम इन नाई पर हाजीपुर।
Hi. Hi everyone.
पहले जाके हम लोग देखते हैं, चप्पल से दूर ज़्यादा रखिए।
बच्चों का भी लो, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के बच्चों का भी यही है। हर फॉर्म ऑफ स्टूडेंट का होना चाहिए।
Naipar Hajipur is now is going to do lot of changes and things in the for their development, betterment of the institute. In the cases of academic research as a opportunity in the employment opportunity, and during this period within the 1 year we are preparing to the state of art campus, and which will be the very eco-friendly as well as very state of art campus within 12.43 acres of land. There is a your total amenities as well as the academic, that is staff quarter, that is your research community center, incubation hub, medicinal garden, which will be beneficial to the student. Also, we are going to propose to do this year. One is a placement officer placement cell that and coordinating with the very good companies or research organizations, national level, international level, to promote their studentship. As well as this year we are planning to do coming year we are planning to institute new branches of the Naipar Hajipur. There is pharmaceutics and pharmaceutical analysis.
सो वेलकम इन बायोटेक लैब ऑफ नाई पर हाजीपुर। यहाँ में जैसे कि आपको बताऊँगा डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं हमारे पास, जैसे सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन मशीन है और ये ओवन है और ये डिफरेंट टाइप के हमारे पास सोनिकेटर्स है और ये डिफरेंट इक्विपमेंट्स है जिनसे हम लोग हमारे डेली के प्रैक्टिकल्स करते हैं, जैसे कि वेइंग बैलेंस एंड ऑल। सो वेलकम गाइस, दिस is gel electrophoresis going on here. This is a PCR machine in which we have to do the cloning and all. This is also one more centrifugation machine. And this is the gel dock machine in which we can check the gels of electrophoresis by using the system. And और अब हम जाने वाले हैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के सेल कल्चर लैब में। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे लैबटेक का इक्विपमेंट है, लैमिनार एयर फ्लो, जिसमें हम लोग सब माइक्रोबायोलॉजिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स एंड सेल कल्चर्स करते हैं। ये लो टेम्परेचर इंक्यूबेटर है यहाँ पे, हमारा माइक्रोस्कोप। So this is the bacterial culture room. Here is also one laminar air flow. If you want to do any microbial cultures, so we can do this here. और ये है हमारा ऑटोक्लेव, जिसमें हम लोग सब ऑटोक्लेवेशन प्रोसेस करते हैं। यूपीएस सिस्टम से कनेक्ट है पूरा लैब।
और ये हमारे कुछ बच्चे यहाँ टीटी खेलते हुए।
Yeah, this is Shashidhar Reddy. I'm working as administrative officer here in Naipar Hajipur. So far we have brought some changes like our beautification in our campus and some infra, and so in further coming days we are planning to add some more facilities to students, and the environment and the overall look of the campus. We hopefully we can see the changes in couple of months, or it may take in 5-6 months, or we are trying to do our so we are trying to give our best for the betterment of everything, for the students' benefits and the campus selection or whatever. We are trying our level best to give the best.
गाइस, मैं हूँ आशीष साहू, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, बैच नंबर 2019, और मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ अपने नाइपर हाजीपुर के प्लेग्राउंड में। आइए तो मैं देखा, यहाँ पर हर एक टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं, मतलब जो भी इंटर नाइपर हो वो प्रिपरेशन करते हैं हम।
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Devabrata Mandal. So I am at NIPER Hajipur for almost 6.5 years now. So I joined NIPER in 2014, 14th August. So it is now almost 6.5 years. So I have seen a lot of things in NIPER Hajipur. Initially, we were struggling to cope up with the demand of the National Institute. But suddenly, in last 1 year or last 6 months, we have done very good things for the NIPER. We have gone ahead with constructions. We have gone ahead with purchase of high-end instruments. We have gone ahead with good amount of purchase of things for students' projects. And now we have already passed out more than 10 batches of students. So we are going to continue this progress for the next few years definitely. But what is more important is that we believe that not only right now we have 3 departments. So hopefully we'll add few more departments in 1 and more years, and this will be, this will make us a big team, and we will become a NIPER family, a NIPER Hajipur family. And I really believe that this NIPER Hajipur has a lot to offer for the entire country, not from the teachers, also from the students, the community, the students will come up with some real good, products and output for the development of the country. I just wish everything that goes up from this institute is going to be highlighted and very well in the near future, and all will be for the good purpose.
This is leishmaniasis chamber. If you want to do any work about leishmaniasis, come and here. This is BOD incubator. Okay. There is so many leishmaniasis culture. This flask is leishmaniasis culture flask. Okay. Okay. This is microscope. Okay. Inverted microscope.
Myself Jayesh, and I am doing here the ESORIAS, cultural isolation.
And Sudha Madhuri.
My name is Rahul Patel. I am from Bhopal. I am doing hair to leishmaniasis cell count. This is
Yeah.
This is live
This
cell
one
of
is mine.
leishmaniasis.
Myself Madan, and we are doing in Leishmania cell culture, and this is the live cells of Leishmania. That is what we see in monitor.
Means these are the live cell of leishmaniasis, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Myself Rohan Pal. I am from the second year biotech student. I am doing Leishmania cell culture.
I'm Chetan Singh. I'm from Department of Pharmacy, second year, and I have joined Naipar Hajipur in 2019. I'm from Dehradun, and pharmacy department is now, it's like in that stage that you can't believe that they tied up lots of hospitals like IGMS, NMCH, Daksh Clinic Hospital. So they are basically working on clinical trials, observational studies, and many more studies have been now going on in the pharmacy department. And yes, of course, latestly we are working on some research papers, is reviews articles, and everyone is quite involved in these studies. So best wishes, all the best. Thank you.
I'm Hina. I'm from Department of Pharmacy Practice, and we are 15 students in our department. As many hospitals are joined with Naipar Hajipur, so as like that, I am working in Mahavir Cancer Hospital, and Mr. Chetan is working in Daksh Hospital, and many other students are working in AIMS Hospital also, and our Naipar Hajipur has tie up with IGMS also. So bas that recently we also published one paper, and first author is
And it's a type of case
and it's a type of case study.
that we have
And
collected last year.
okay, in hospital we can do every type of research study, like we can do observational study also and interventional study also. For example, I am doing observational study. It is a type of cross sectional study, and Mr. Chetan is doing case control study, which is experimental study. So that's all about PP. So welcome to Naipar Hajipur. So okay, thank you then.
आपका भोजन हमारी जिम्मेदारी। मैं हूँ मेस मैनेजर चंदन यादव, नाइपर हाजीपुर।
हेलो गाइस, मैं हूँ योगेंद्र सिंह और मैं हूँ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट से। आई एम फ्रॉम एमपी और मेरा जो अभी काम चल रहा है वो चल रहा है DUV क्यूटिनेशन सिस्टम पे। हमारे यहाँ के जो टीचर्स हैं काफ़ी बहुत ही यूनिक और स्पेशल टीचर्स हैं जो कि हमें बहुत अच्छे से प्रॉपर तरीके से गाइड करते हैं कि कैसे हमें अपने रिसर्च को आगे बढ़ाना है, कैसे अपना प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करना है। सो वेलकम टू नाइपर हाजीपुर।
Hello everyone, my name is Shantanu Singh. I am from the Naipar Hajipur, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology, second year student. I have also published one paper named as JAK-STAT inhibitors in the rheumatoid arthritis, which having the impact factor 3.9, publisher Elsevier. My second year project is that chitosan conjugated butene for the antioxidant efficacy, and currently our guides are working very hard so that Dr. Nitesh Kumar and Dr. Sanjeev Singh, they are very well educated and performing well. So thank you so much.
My name is Chandan Chauhan. I am a MS second year students from Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology at Naipar Hajipur, and I am pursuing my MS second research project, and my topic is therapeutic strategy of beta cetoasterol against LPS induced cognitive impairment. And my guide is Sugato Banerjee, and co-guide is Dr. Nitesh Kumar. Welcome in Naipar Hajipur.
Hello, my name is Rashmi Bhushan. I am PhD first year student from the Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology. My area of interest is neuroscience, and my master's research work is also based upon that is on Parkinson's disease. In Naipar Hajipur, the researchers do work on the neurocardiovascular studies and on the cancer-based study, and also cell lines based studies. Also, researchers do work, and the faculties are very cooperative. And here, pharmacology and PT lab are well established with all the facilities, all studied for the molecular and behavioral parameters of the animals. That's all.
देखिए यहाँ नाइपर में बिहार में पहला जो इंस्टीट्यूट है जो है नाइपर आया है और इसके लाने वाले माननीय स्वर्गीय रामविलास पासवान जी इस इंस्टीट्यूट को लाए।
नाइपर की सफाई मेरी जिम्मेदारी। मैं हूँ सफाई कर्मचारी सन्नी कुमार।
नाइपर के सुरक्षा मेरी जिम्मेवारी। मैं हूं तपेश्वर कुमार। स्वागत है आपका नाइपर हाजीपुर में।
Hello, so it's time to meet our new juniors from Biotech Department.
I am Rajiv Kumar from Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
Myself Ravikant from Haryana.
I am Priyanka Patel from Banaras.
Myself Kulsum Fatima from MP.
This is Sai Sindhu from Andhra.
I am Anuyam from Kerala.
Myself Maheshwari, I am from Telangana.
Myself Maitri from Tamil Nadu.
I am Ritvik from Tamil Nadu.
Myself Tarun from Andhra.
Kanpur from Rajasthan.
I am Bulat Gupta from UP.
Shravan Kumar Yadav from Maharashtra.
Suraj Aurangzeb from Maharashtra.
3.
Welcome to